Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a door gasket on a Frigidaire dishwasher. First, gather your essential tools, including a new gasket, a flathead screwdriver, and a small amount of dish soap. Safety is paramount, so always ensure the dishwasher's power supply is completely disconnected at the circuit breaker before you begin. Also, clear the area around the dishwasher door to give yourself ample working space for the task ahead. Now, let's remove the old gasket. Begin by opening your dishwasher door completely, allowing full access to the existing gasket. Carefully and gently pull the old gasket out of its channel. It's often easiest to start from one of the corners and work your way around. Once removed, take a moment to thoroughly clean the gasket channel. Use a damp cloth to wipe away any food particles, grime, or residue that may have accumulated over time. With the channel clean, it's time to install the new gasket. For easier installation, apply a small amount of dish soap or a similar lubricant to the new gasket. This helps it slide smoothly into place. Begin pressing the new gasket firmly into the channel, starting at the top center of the door. Work your way around, ensuring the gasket is fully seated and flush against the entire door frame with no gaps or twists. You're almost done. Gently close the dishwasher door and visually inspect the new gasket to ensure it forms a tight, even seal all the way around. Once satisfied, safely reconnect the dishwasher's power supply at the circuit breaker. Finally, run a short wash cycle, perhaps a quick rinse, and carefully check for any leaks around the door. If there are no leaks, you've successfully replaced your dishwasher door gasket.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.